Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Alyix and I spell it in a really weird way. Today's video, I haven't done one of these in so long, so I thought I would bring it back because this is one of the original ideas I had when I started my channel. Today's video is going to be another band installment. If you guys are new here and you don't know what that is, it is when I do a makeup look inspired by a band. In the past I have done Black Veil Brides, Set It Off, and then another one that I can't remember right now. But I thought today let's do another one. The idea kind of just like popped into my head with how I wanted this look to look. And so I'm excited to share it with you. Oh, today's band installment, by the way, is Green Day. They're one of my favorite bands. So I thought it would be awesome to finally do the Green Day band installment. So let's just get right into this. I'm excited to put things on my face, and I think you guys will be excited with how this turns out. So if you want to see this Green Day band installment, keep on watching.
Alright, to start this off, I want matte skin with this look. I'm like pulling back roots from like I first started makeup and it was like that super like emo looking makeup. That is kind of where this is coming from. But I want super matte, flat skin. So I'm using a mattifying primer, mattifying foundation, mattifying concealer, mattifying powder, because I want it to be very matte and very flat. Something that you don't really want in normal makeup, but I'm just spot concealing right now just to give my face that full, flat, even complexion, and I do have acne. We're going in for full coverage here, so I'm applying more foundation than I usually would on like an everyday basis. And I'm just blending it in with a beauty sponge here, getting the best, smoothest application, and go over your lips for this. For this look, we won't be doing any lipsticks, so feel free to go over them lips. So for concealer, I'm not highlighting. I am keeping it my skin tone because, like I said, I want everything to be flat. So I don't want there to be like any specific high points standing out. I want everything just to be even. And then of course I'm setting with a powder to help the matte too. I'm using this sponge to press the powder in all of my face instead of just the usual areas that I would, just to give the best base for this grungy, punky look here. And then prime your eyes like there's no tomorrow. I'm just using just a basic eyeshadow primer and setting it. This is a very grungy look.
Of course, doing a Green Day look, kind of have to use this product. This is the Kat Von D X Billie Joe Basketcase eyeliner.
So getting into the actual eyes here, I'm taking the Billie Joe eyeliner and I'm smudging the crap out of this on my upper lash line. Like, put as much black eyeliner as you want. Bring back like that 2000 super intense, smudgy raccoon eye vibe. That is what we want here. And I am going back and forth between using a brush to blend this out and my finger. And I'm just gently pulling my eye just so it's a little bit smoother, just because my eyes are kind of wrinkly. And you can even apply more of that eyeliner to your finger to help blend this out. You don't need or want this to be perfect, we are going to go over this with an eyeshadow as well, but we do want this to blend out a little bit so it's deeper at the lash line and blends up. Again, just grab that raccoon eye fantasy that we've all had and just bring that back. So next, like I said, we're going to take that eyeshadow and we're just going to use this to help smoke out and blend out that eyeliner even more, so it's not super harsh and patchy like you can see on my left eye here. And you're just going to go back and forth. I'm just using my brush and going back in with my finger. This is super, super simple, yet it's super smoky and grungy, and that's exactly what I want for this look. You can even go back in with that brush used to apply your base shade as well, like I am here. And then of course, going back to that raccoon eyes, tightline your eye with a blackest black eyeliner. I'm using that same one from earlier. And just tightline your entire eye. If it smudges, don't even worry about it. So now I'm going in with this green eyeshadow, and I'm going to use this as a pop of color on the lower lash line, kind of tying in to kind of the band name of being Green Day and everything. And I'm just really smoking this out. This is the e.l.f. eye contour brush. It's one of my favorites for lower lash line smoking. And I am just smoking that out as far. I usually go to like the end of my eyeball to where you can feel the cheekbone right there. That's how smoky I do it. But you can definitely make this less smoky or more smoky depending on how you like that as well. And then going in with a darker green here, this is from the James Charles Morphe palette. I'm just taking a super small smudgy brush still and bringing this right up against the lower lash line. So it goes from that black tight line to the dark green to the lighter green, just to have a more smoky blend. Now I did not want a super harsh contour for this look. I didn't want blush or highlight. So I'm going in with a very light, cool toned shadow and very, very lightly contouring my cheekbones only. Like I said, I wanted the face to be very flat looking still and very matte. So I'm not going in with too much contour at all, just the slightest bit. And then, of course, I'm bringing the concealer lips back right now, but if you want to, you can apply any lip you would like. And it's as simple as that.
Alright, and this is the finished Green Day band installment. It's very simple compared to my other ones, but I just really wanted this one to be super grungy and punky and, you know, along that nature. And I really like how this turned out. If you have like green or brown eyes, this would even pop them out even more. You can definitely change it up if you would like to more your style, like if you want more of a heavy contour, you want to put on highlighter, you want to put on a lipstick, you can feel free. This is just, you know, my interpretation. Let me know what other bands you guys would like to see down below, or just artists in general, and your favorite Green Day song. I hope you guys enjoyed this look and enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos from me, you can subscribe to my channel. I don't really have a posting schedule, but I do try to post videos. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.